Hi folks, my name's Shane and I'm the new car specialist here at Twin Pine Ford, and I'm just going to go over how to use your different GOAT modes in a new Bronco Raptor. First and foremost, there's this GOAT mode shift knob that you're actually going to twist like such, and it will display in your front dash the different drive modes. There is what's called a normal drive mode, which will seamlessly shift you between front wheel drive and all wheel drive depending on the traction and optimize the best fuel economy. You have what's called sport mode, which is actually going to increase throttle pedal response. Lower gears are going to be held on to longer for faster acceleration. You'll also have the tow haul mode, which is great for towing and hauling things. And your slippery mode, which defaults into four-wheel drive and lowers your throttle response to keep you safer on slippery surfaces. Next up, we have what's called the off-road mode, which is things for like sand and mud and ruts. And what that does is it turns off your traction control, activates your front view camera when you're under 15 miles per hour, and your lower gears are held onto for longer and optimizes a little bit more sensitive braking to keep you safe in those surfaces. And then you also have the Baja mode, which is for faster off-roading instead of the lower gears. This is going to help your suspension adapt to the different surfaces and keep you safe on things like sand and mud. And last but not least, you have the rock crawl mode. This is going to lock both rear and front differentials, disconnects your stabilizer bar, and activates your trail camera. That's going to be all for this. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope to see you again.